Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to uninstall apps using PowerShell command on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to uninstall apps using PowerShell command, then I will show you simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to open your PowerShell window. Click on Start menu, then type here PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. You just need to right click on that, then click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes to allow. In this, you need to copy paste the first command what I will provide in my video description link. You can see this is the first command. Just select all this command, right click on that, then click on copy, go to the command prompt window and press Ctrl V to paste, then hit enter. You will get the list of the all installed apps on your Windows PC. Now select which application you want to uninstall. Suppose if you want to uninstall this Bing News, just select this, double click on that, right click, and it will copy it and it will paste directly to the below command. Or you just need to delete this and copy the command, second command, get AppX package, copy till here, right click on that, copy and paste. Just press Ctrl V to paste, give the space and copy the app which we want to uninstall. You can see this is a Bing News. Suppose I want to uninstall this, right click on that and it will be pasted to the command line and copy this command and paste in front of that. Give the space and press Ctrl V, then hit enter and the app will be removed. That's it guys. So in this way you can uninstall apps using PowerShell command on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.